Today, President Donald Trump is expected to meet with his cabinet at the White House. It comes a day after he pressed pause on punishing reciprocal tariffs against most countries except China. That move sparked an ongoing surge in U.S. and world stock markets, though some U.S. business owners say the move just adds to their uncertainty. CBS's Jared Hill reports.
Wednesday's Wall Street rally rippled across the world. This morning, global markets opened much higher after President Trump paused his punishing tariffs for at least 90 days. The decision less than 24 hours after they kicked in.
The bond market right now is beautiful. But yeah, I saw last night where people were getting a little queasy.
Acknowledging investor unease was linked to his decision. The baseline tariff now 10%. The White House says up to 70 countries are pushing for talks, but China is retaliating, upping their tariff on U.S. goods to 84%. President Trump hit back with a 125% tax on Chinese imports.
China continues to retaliate. Other countries didn't retaliate.
What's the biggest point of frustration right now?
The biggest thing, the uncertainty, not knowing what is going to happen in 1 month, 2 months, 6 months.
Minnesota soybean farmer Bob Worth hopes the trade war ends quickly. He sells most of his crop to China.
Our president will get something done that we'll be very happy with at the end. But it sure is stressful until that time comes.
While farmers wait to sell, tariffs have prompted some iPhone shoppers to stock up.
I figured I'd get in before the prices went up.
Ahead of yesterday's pause, the European Union announced its own 25% tariff on some U.S. goods starting next week. The president's advisors predict those could also be delayed.
Wisconsin senators are divided on president's tariff pause.
We know what his goal was. I mean, to a certain, he wants reciprocity. I'm relieved like the markets are relieved. At some point in time, I think will stabilize. Again, I don't know what the end game is here yet.
You know, this president ran on bringing prices down. He said on day one, families would see lower costs, that he'd be the chief at fighting inflation. We have seen just the opposite.
The White House says Trump's reversal was not influenced by the stock market's volatility, but because more than 75 countries are now pushing for new trade negotiations, which was the president's strategy all along, they say.